Let's explore the 1825 home design by D.R. Horton, Sacramento. Near the entry, you'll find two comfortable secondary bedrooms. And between them, there's a convenient full-size hall bath, complete with tub shower combo and quartz countertop vanity. Each bright bedroom provides a generous closet and LED lighting. Just down the hall, past a linen and coat closet, is a centrally located laundry room, which is located near a third secondary bedroom. Now we'll explore the star of the home, a wide-open kitchen showcasing a walk-in pantry, ample storage, expansive quartz countertop island, with built-in sink and dining room adjacent. The exterior door here allows you to serve meals and entertain indoors or outside on the covered patio. No matter how you use them, the kitchen and dining areas are versatile for hosting meals or simply enjoying your morning coffee. You'll love these integrated spaces flowing seamlessly from one room to the next, and then into the great room to enjoy your favorite show or relax with a good book. Nearby, you'll find the primary bedroom suite, your personal oasis complete with private bathroom. This space includes a double sink vanity, a spacious step-in shower, a separate water closet, and large walk-in closet featuring built-in linen shelves. Now it's time to learn more about the impressive 1825 home plan by scheduling your personal tour. Just call 530-654-1789 and we'll help you get started on your new home journey today.